Still, using a basic watch for your kids that only tells time or tracks steps? What if your child's smartwatch could do much more, like make video calls, track real-time location, and keep them active and safe all day long? Let's talk about the Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro, the smart companion made just for kids, with HD video calling, GPS tracking, fitness challenges, and even swim-proof durability. Built with both fun and safety in mind, this watch helps parents stay connected and gives kids more independence in a secure way. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro, charging cable, SIM card ejector, quick start guide, security information, and warranty card pamphlets. Looking to keep your child connected and safe? Tap the link in the description below to get it on Amazon. Features. See exactly where they are and what they're doing in total detail. Enjoy knowing they can video chat with you anytime they need to via the easy-to-use call functionality. Enjoy always clear, stable voice calls and SMS 5 thanks to the full 4G VoLTE 6 coverage and Huawei's smart network algorithm, which boosts call stability and reduces power consumption. The Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro uses 9-system AI positioning for fast, accurate tracking, even while roaming. The Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro is TÜV certified for safety, made with FDA-approved skin-friendly materials, and offers strong data protection with EU GDPR-level security. Swim training mode tracks different swim styles, number of strokes, duration of swimming, and more, so they'll become champs of the pool in no time. Specifications. Charge your watch. To charge your Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro, align the pogo pins on the back of the watch with the charging cable connector, then plug it into a USB power source. It usually takes about 1 to 2 hours for a full charge from 0% to 100%. Set up with app. Download the Huawei Family app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store, or App Store and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Insert a nano SIM card into the Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro to enable calling and location features. Open the Huawei Family app, scan the QR code shown on the watch, and allow necessary permissions. Then create or log in to your Huawei account to complete pairing and start managing the watch. In the Huawei Family app, tap Add Device to begin the setup process. Scan the QR code displayed on your child's Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro to link it. Once scanned, follow the on-screen steps to finish pairing and customize settings. Once paired, the app will automatically begin syncing data from your watch. It will also check for any available firmware updates and install them if needed. This ensures your watch is up to date and ready to use. The process only takes a few minutes to complete. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro. See you in the next one.